Zoom in on this. It's a whole lot of beam right there. Zoom out, try to get a little closer. Sneaking in. There we go. This setup they got here. Look at that, huh? Oh, come on, just hit the lever. Put this thing in the air. Sure, it's a lot more calculated than that. Look at that, huh? Hopefully you guys can see it. It's kind of dark. There it goes. Pick it up, rest it aside, and build a bridge. Oops, sorry. This guy just getting under it like nothing. No, thank you. Bring it up and drop it right down. Oh, then I can spin it over there, huh? This guy's calculated, huh? Look at that. Go over here a little bit, get the sign out of the way. Ah, falling in ditches. I'm just zoomed in here. I'm not as close as it looks like I am. I'm not going anywhere near that thing. Pretty cool. It's like a fun job. Yeah, I'm gonna put it right in place, or nah, they'll probably just set it down because I got to take the rest of that bridge out. Actually, they're probably just doing one side at a time. Maybe it is going right into place. Let's go get a closer look. Hold on. Yeah, they're just gonna put it right in place right there. There's one on the left. The one in the middle has been there. Been there for a while. And then that one's just gonna drop right down. Pretty cool. Oh, there's already another one down there too. I didn't see there is a third beam down there. Slow and steady. They gotta take their time and get it just right. They're just doing something to get it set up down there. While we're waiting, let's get a look at this crane, huh? Look at the size of this thing. And that's barely even up. It's got a lot more to go if it wanted to. Yeah, amazing. I just find this stuff really cool. Yeah, it's set up here and wait for them. They just, like I said, they're doing something in the concrete, just getting ready for that beam. Then we'll watch them drop it down. Okay, walking across that beam like it's nothing. I guess when you do it all day, it's no big deal. I'd probably be on my hands and knees clinging on for dear life. Nope, you gotta grind up the other side now. No, no. You lower it down. I think I see a thumbs up. There it goes. Right down into place. See if we can get a better angle here. Nice and easy, right? Look at that finesse. Nice and steady. And this is how they build a bridge, huh? The foundation of it anyways. What they'll probably do is build this side, complete it, and then open it up, I'm hoping. And then they'll shut down the existing bridge, which would be the other side, demo that. Again, I'm just assuming all this, I have no idea. Look at that. Get it lined up. So cool. There it goes. Right down into place. A little closer there. Right down. Just interesting. Find it very interesting. I guess when you do it all day, it's just the norm, but I don't get to see stuff like this every day, and I'm sure a lot of people out there don't either. And that's it. I think it's in place. Alright, well, that's about it. I'm gonna jump down from here. Oh my god, I'm getting too old for that. I gotta stop doing that stuff. Anyways, that's today's video. I just thought it was really cool. Like I said, it's something I don't get to see every day. Just thought it was pretty neat. I'm gonna show you the truck here too with the beams on it. Here, check this out. There's the truck. Look at the size of that thing. And then the trailer is adjustable. They can extend it or contract it to whatever size they need. Again, the crane here is pretty neat. But my break's over. I gotta get back in the shop. That's today's video. Like I said, it's a little something different. Just you know, keep it interesting. Rich discoveries. This is what we discovered today, a bridge building. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I got new stuff coming out almost daily. You know, it's gonna be a great summer. We're gonna have a lot of fun. So thanks again and have a great day.